Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. Time freedom is the main thing. Financial freedom just follows that. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So I wish that there would have been a place, a channel that I could have gone to find information and honest reviews about the best and worst courses to help me to get free through online marketing, digital marketing, and passive income. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free. And let's get free together. Let's go. Normally, I would have a sales page or a website on my screen for you to look at and go through, but because this course is so new and so exclusive, there is not really one space for me to show you all of this. I had to do a lot of research in a lot of different ways to build this summary review, so that's why we're just doing it this way, and thanks for putting up with that. Okay, let's get to it. Hey guys! Thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie. This one is on Golden Link Lifestyle. You also may have searched for Oasis. That is the platform that they have created. Well, let's get right into it. What is it? So it used to be called 14 Days to Freedom. It was their online training program created by elevated entrepreneurs. In 2019, as of 2021, they formed a new one called the Golden Link Lifestyle business model that's on their own Oasis platform that they created. It's basically the same affiliate marketing course, but they have created their own exclusive marketplace for high ticket, high quality courses for you to sell, promote, and be an affiliate for. It also has created its own sales team called Rise that they actually make the sales calls and do fulfillment for you. So that's pretty different than any other course out there, except for one. Link will be in the description. Who was it created by? Andrew James and Steven Esposito. Andrew was a former finance intern. He tried a whole bunch of online different things and came to love affiliate marketing. He actually went on a competition. So did Steven. They met each other there. They quit what they were doing and put focus into digital marketing and formed a partnership. Then they created a few courses, and finally this is their newest one. How does it work? You watch a webinar like usual, then you get on a sales call to purchase the course. Anytime you have to get on a sales call to purchase a course, you know that it is going to be very expensive, at least a couple $1,000s. Once you get into the program, they give you sales funnels, landing pages, and software. They teach you a bit about Facebook ads for traffic. You place your ads on Facebook. Potential customers put in their email and information, and you send that to the sales team, where the sales team then tries to make a call, and you get a large commission if somebody makes a purchase. So what's different about it? Usually the problem with high ticket sales is that sales calls need to take place because you don't generally get people to just shell out thousands of dollars without talking to them in person. So it usually takes either a long webinar or a sales call. This can make it really hard for affiliate marketers to drive high amounts of traffic because there's just not enough sales people. There's not enough time to make all these calls. So inside Oasis, they've created a sales team called Rise to close the sales calls from the affiliate traffic that you send. So that essentially solves the problem of high ticket sales. They're providing quality high ticket programs for their clients to earn affiliate commissions from, So as an affiliate marketer, usually if you go find products on ClickBank, most of them that are high converting are going to be from $7 to $50, and then you only get usually 50% commission from that. So you've got to sell thousands of products per month to make a living, whereas with high ticket affiliate commissions, you only need to sell a few. What else? Elevated Entrepreneurs is keeping Oasis a very exclusive marketplace, which means there is almost zero competition. It also means that it is difficult for me to give you a full review on it since I haven't actually purchased it. But through all my research, I'm doing my best. What is included? There's a private platform, which is Oasis, for you to sell on. There are done-for-you funnels and lead pages. There's an exclusive high-ticket marketplace with high-quality products. There is tutorials from Andrew and Steven, and there is a sales team to make sales for you after you bring them the leads. Who is this for? Anyone wanting to leave their 9-to-5 job who has enough liquid cash to spend on this course, because again, like I said, it's going to be expensive. Who is it not for? People who don't want to make money online from affiliate marketing. You're just not into affiliate marketing because that's what this is. And anyone who doesn't have at least $5,000 that they're willing to invest in this, because that's what I am estimating this to cost. Pros, you've got low competition, high ticket products, done for you, sales, and I really just like that Andrew and Steven focus on freedom, obviously, because that's what I'm all about as well. Cons, you can't find out the actual price of the course without entering into a sales call. You can't find a whole lot of information on the course without registering and going through their webinar. And there's not a whole lot of proof or testimonials because it is so high ticket and exclusive and it's pretty new. Elevated Entrepreneurs only teach how to sell on their private platform, so they don't really teach you how to sell through any other platform such as ClickBank. That's a little bit of a con. They are teaching you how to use Facebook paid ads to get traffic, which can be very expensive and can also be very unforgiving. Facebook tends to ban business accounts that are running ads for affiliate marketing for no reason at all whenever they want to. So your ad account can get banned and you can be shit out of luck just like that. As far as testimonials and other reviews, there's not a whole lot yet, but they are pretty much saying the same thing. I am the ones that I've found that this course is really valuable and you could very easily become highly profitable. However, it's not going to be cheap. You'll spend quite a bit on the course and on advertising. So if you have the money to invest, it could be very good. As I said before, you don't know what the cost is, but it's probably somewhere between $3,000 to $10,000. I estimate it to be around $5,000 with upsells leading up to maybe $10,000. My final verdict, I do recommend this course with a disclaimer. I don't know how much it actually costs. If you're going to end up spending all your savings account on this course, don't do it. There's going to be more cost once you start. You're going to need software. You're going to need to pay for ads. So don't blow all your money on the course and then have no more money to actually make it work. If you do have enough money to spend on this course and still be okay for the next couple months and be able to spend money on advertising, then do it. I think you'll make a lot of money. Is there a better alternative? As far as affiliate marketing courses go, there's a ton of alternatives out there. There's free YouTube videos all over the place. However, as far as turnkey affiliate marketing businesses that focus on high ticket products with low competition, I only know of one other one. I will provide a link for you below in the description. You do have to register for the webinar as well, like most of these things, but it is a highly valuable and educational webinar. So if you decide you don't want to purchase it at the end, you still got really good information and you don't have to wait until the end of the webinar to find out how much it's going to be, because I will tell you it is about $997, which is quite a bit less than this one, and you are still getting access to high ticket affiliate products that you can So thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie, and we'll see you next time.